won't ever leave me.
Oh, Meggie. Darling Meggie. Meggie, Frank had to leave.
Why?
Because it hurt him too much to stay.
But it'll hurt more without Mom and me. Because we're the ones who love him.
Meggie, for each of us, there comes a time when he must search for the thing he thinks he needs above all else, no matter what it costs.
You mean the thing that'll make him happy?
Happy? There's a story, a legend, about a bird that sings just once in its life. From the moment it leaves its nest, it searches for a thorn tree and never rests until it's found one. And then it sings more sweetly than any other creature on the face of the earth. And singing, it impales itself on the longest, sharpest thorn. But as it dies, it rises above its own agony to outsing the lark and the nightingale. The thorn bird pays its life for just one song. But the whole world stills to listen. And God in his heaven smiles.
What does it mean, Father?
That the best is bought only at the cost of great.